The battery on the fixed SOS button should last anywhere between 12 to 18 months. But in the instance that you need to change it out, it is very simple. So you're going to take it off wherever it's wall mounted. From there, you're sliding this back cover off. And then you are just opening the device up at that point, and then simply changing out the battery. It is a CR2450 battery, which you'll simply just change over, and then the device will automatically switch back on. So there's no need to switch the device on and off. We have it configured from MCare's office so that the device will never switch off. This will allow for the fact that at no point will there be an issue in terms of the device accidentally being switched off while activating an SOS. So that's how you'll change the battery on the fixed button.